Hey everyone, so today I wanted to come on here and do a haul video, and it's from this store right here. So I thought it'd be nice to show you guys all of the goodies that I recently got from Hermes, and also I thought I would keep with the whole unboxing theme, like haul theme, because I haven't done a haul video in forever. And I'd show you guys some shoes from Amina Muaddi. So I'm going to show you guys these shoes at the end because they are fire. But in the meantime, let's start off with Hermes. So inside of this bag, I'm going to show you guys what we have to work with, okay? This is what the inside looks like. I have a lot of stuff thrown in here, but I'm going to show you the biggest item first. So this item right here was a little bit too big for a box, unfortunately. I wish I would have gotten a box. It would have been nice. I walked in, and so when I went to the store, this was kind of like the main thing that I wanted for my house. So this is a household item. A blanket! I mean, did you expect it to be as basic as this? Probably not, but I have a navy blue living room. I have a navy blue couch, and I thought this would look so fire on my couch, and it's so warm and so just like, it just perfectly matches my living room because everything's like navy blue in there, and I felt like this could be really good at giving me inspiration for what I should put in my living room next. So with this color scheme, I feel like I just need like a cream colored ottoman or armchair, and then a Hermes pillow in this same colorway, and then my living room will be complete. So anyways, I've wanted an Hermes blanket forever. It's so thick and warm. It's so nice. And they had a bunch of different types of like designs for the actual blankets, but I don't know, I just wanted the classic H logo, and I just wanted it to be in navy blue. The Hermes store that I was at had every kind of colorway that I could want, but when I saw navy blue, I was like, okay, I gotta get navy blue. So yeah, this is the first item that I got from Hermes. And I can't show you the full thing yet, but maybe at the end of the video I'll get up and I'll show you what it looks like when I like stand up or something. Okay, we'll see. Not promising anything, but we'll see. Next, I'm gonna show you guys, my goodness, a pair of shoes. These are so basic. Not my first pair of these. Does it say on the box? It doesn't say on the box what these are specifically, but you'll see in a second. I'm sure you guys can guess what this is. Like, if you know me, you could probably guess what these shoes are. Basic. Black Oran sandals. I've needed a pair of black sandals for a while. I have some black Dior sandals, but I don't know, for vacation purposes, these are kind of the go-to, like when it comes to comfortable vacation sandals or just like everyday sandals. I find these to be so comfortable. So I got these, and then I'm planning on actually getting a pair of gold ones, like another pair of gold ones, because the ones I have now are tore up from the floor up. If you watched my shoe collection video, I think you saw those, and they've been through a lot. So I just wanted to get a black pair of Oran sandals, and that's what these are. Oh, and I got a size 41.5. I usually just get a size 40 or 41. It really just depends on the heel height, the actual leather of the shoe. Depends on a few, so it really depends on a few different things, but I got 41.5 in these and they fit just fine. So these are 3 boxes, and this is like probably one of my favorite items to get from Hermes. Do you want to guess what it is? So when it comes to Hermes, I'm gonna open both of these boxes. Every year they come out with, like, you know, different styles of scarves. I have loved Hermes scarves for a very long time. I have a red one from the past, but I wanted to get something that was more summery and bright, and that would be really cute on vacation or honestly all year long. So I ended up getting a green one, and I like this scarf because honestly the scarf can be worn as a shirt or as a head wrap, or you might even be able to wrap it around your waist as like a kind of beach covering. So this is the design of this one specifically. And then what does it say on it? It says Hermes Paris, and then it says Collade Elastique. And then the other one that I got was this one. And it's and then let me show you the last one. This one happens to be a little bit smaller, but very, very, very beautiful. I am obsessed with this one. Like, I'm obsessed with the colorway for this. I just love green. Green is my favorite color. I love green and pink together. And so this is my favorite. Like, I looked at this and I was like, I have to get this, because for me, I feel like this is gonna be so cute. Kind of like just, you know, a headscarf or whatever. Like that. Or how did they do that? Hold on, let me see. I think it's like this. You know, when you're in a car and the windows are down, ugh, and like a cute outfit that like matches like an all green outfit with this scarf. And then you could like kind of do like the whole necktie thing. I don't know if I would with this. Or you could put it on your bag and have it just be a cute little twilly on your bag. Oh, I love this so much. I just love this scarf. I love this color combination so much. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this color combination? Can you actually see it? Like, let's get into the detail on it, okay? The actual, so this green right here is like actually like super bright. It doesn't, like on camera it looks darker than it is in person, I think. And then this is like a cute like turquoise, kind of like turquoisey green. And then this is hot pink, like a light hot pink, and this is a dark hot pink, so it's not red. Anyways, just thought I'd like articulate the actual colors that are going on this scarf. But this will be worn so much from me. I mean, why would I not wear it? Oh, so gorgeous. But then this scarf right here, again, it's so much brighter in person. And I'm from Kentucky. I love horses. My mom is really big on horses. She has like horse pictures everywhere in our house at home. And, you know, I saw this and I was like, oh my God, not only is it yellow and it looks so cute, like over top of a bathing suit or whatever, and I happen to have like an all black bathing suit that I would love to just like wrap this around my waist and like go out, which I plan on doing, and just like put a cute pair of heels on and like call it a day. Oh, but I just love that it's like this cute little horse. See, just love it. So cute. And then this one, the reason I got this one is because green is my favorite color. And I love Hermes scarves and I love green. And I specifically just wanted to get a few silk Hermes scarves. Like, they have them in other like fabrics, but these were like my babies. Like, I wanted these. And I'm pretty sure all of these are the newest season. So you should be able to go on Hermes's website and get these if you please. Okay, so now that unboxing is done, let's get into the Amina Muaddi shoes that I'm so excited to show you. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen these, by the way. Like, you've already seen the whole like Instagram reel. It's a dust bag. And then these are the shoes, guys. Look how gorgeous they are. And let me just say, not only do I love the color green, but I love the color orange, especially on my skin tone. And when I saw these, I was like, I was obsessed. I thought they looked so gorgeous. So they have like rainbow rhinestones all over, the signature Amina Muaddi heel. And honestly, you put them on and they're so stretchy and so comfortable. What size did I get these in? I got these in the size 41. My feet were a little bit swollen, so just know, like, if you travel somewhere where it's like hot and humid and sticky, usually your feet expand a little bit, especially if you're wearing closed-toe shoes, which I was. So these might be a little bit bigger today than they were a couple days ago when I tried them on. However, because of the adjustable strap and the stretchiness, honestly, it's completely fine. It's not going to be a big deal. But these are my first pair of Amina Muaddis, and I'm just so excited about these. So these shoes are called the Gilda Sandal. So that's what these are, the Gilda Sandal. I mean, I think they're fabulous. So I think they actually go with my dress. This is a little bit of my dress for anybody wondering what I was actually wearing. And I feel like these shoes would go with this dress, don't you? Do you guys think? Yeah, it would. It would. I'm telling you it would. So just believe me, okay? So yeah, guys, that is it for my Hermes haul video and my Amina Muaddi unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next. Okay, bye.